Hi, welcome to the Frampol YouTube channel. Today we'll be going through the updated Frampol Starlink Management Portal. And we've had some new updates with the interface and some new features that are now available within that portal. So we thought it would just be interesting for you to have a full run through and walk through of the new portal. Some things have stayed the same, some things have changed, but let's get right into it. Right off, when you jump in, you'll land to this screen. If you head down to frampol.webmon.ai, that hasn't changed. And you can simply now log in with your Google account, Microsoft account, or even with your Apple account, whatever you prefer. And once you've done this, you get in touch with one of the Frampol technicians and they will assist in adopting your email or adding your email to the correct service line. Now, once you log in, you'll land on this page and some things have not changed, some things are the same. And it's a very familiar profile for those who know the old Starlink Management Portal. Essentially, you have your service lines on the side, on this left side, indicating whether it's on or off. And you have these different filter elements up here where you can select to see only the kits that are on or off or whatever you prefer within that. And our map obviously has stayed the same. Now, for you to see more information on the service line, let's use this service line, for example. Now you'll be led to this screen where you'll be able to see this particular kit, where it is on the map exactly. Obviously, the name of the kit, you can change this to whatever you prefer. The service plan you are on, your IP policy right there. Then you can see your data usage right here, showing how much data you've used over the last 6 days. Then your highest usage, your average usage. And then you have this graph over here that can show you your data usage on a daily basis to see how much data you've used on each day. Now, coming down here, you can have a look at the devices connected to your Starlink kit at any given point in time. That'll be very powerful for you to be able to manage who can connect and who can't connect, as well as this information on your Starlink ID, serial numbers, software version, kit ID, uptime, latest update, whatever you need, it's all there. If you carry on scrolling, you can have your telemetry data just like the old portal, where you're seeing all these different statistics from your download usage, upload usage, latency, ping drop, you name it, it's all there. But now you can also expand on these and you can select to get a more accurate reading on your data. You can now use this slider to see the data more clearly and more to scale, depending on whatever you need for all these different statistics, depending on whatever you're looking for at that point in time. Now you can also view the information we just seen over here on your subscriptions tab to see all your service lines in one place and seeing the status of each there and their locations, as well as if they're inactive or active. And you can search, if you have multiple service lines, you can search for your service line right here to find it in an easier, quicker way. Now, under organization and users, you're able to now see who has access within your portal and who it is, and you can determine how much access they can have or change their access on roles. You can now run a speed test within the Starlink Management Portal. And this is a very powerful way to troubleshoot and see your performance. Even if you're in the premises or off the premises, you can run this speed test and get accurate information about how your Starlink is performing at any given point in time. Now, this has always been part of the Starlink Management Portal, but you can also toggle between light mode or dark mode, whatever you prefer. I know there's some people there who would prefer a light mode, but this is just an option for you to toggle it on and off. And then within your settings, of course, you can edit the display. You can just set it to be light or dark or your system default, whatever you prefer. You can also change your account details here. Maybe you want to add your details or change your name, whatever you desire. You can do that within that settings portal. And then obviously security is very important. So always make sure you enable two-factor authentication. But yeah, that is it for now. Hope that was clear. If there are any questions, please put them down in the comment section and we'll make sure we address those questions and respond in a timely way. Thank you.